Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. Today we are here at Engimach show in Gujarat and I am standing in front of UCAM stall with Vijay sir, who is taking care of sales and marketing in UCAM group. Thank you sir, thank you for your time.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to be associated with MTD.
Sir, please tell me, we are here in this Engimach and Gujarat is a very big market for you, right? So what kind of products you are displaying here in this market?
Yeah, Engimach is one of the pioneer exhibition in the territory of Gujarat. And the best part of Engimach is it attracts the all industries which is in and around Gujarat. Yeah. And we have the new series of the product called Q series, which was introduced during IMTEX. And this has become very popular in the market of Gujarat. Typically the orthopedic industry, then we have automotive industry in Rajkot and area. The Gujarat, if you look at, it has got all the potential for the businesses.
Fantastic. I just wanted to understand, see, Gujarat is becoming a major manufacturing hub, right? So what kind of new industries coming here? What kind of new trends you are seeing here in this particular western region?
Yeah, if you look at, we have two major product range. One is a CNC gear hobbing machine and another is a rotary table. We are finding a lot of the leads and inquiries are there from Gujarat because they need high precision component gear manufacturing. So we are finding a lot of leads in that. Our product, it's a high precision, high speed gear hobbing machine. So it addresses their need.
Can you please elaborate briefly what kind of product ranges you have displayed here?
Yeah. If you look at this is a production system which is very popular in automotive industry, and people who are making a mass production, for them it is very useful, and this concept is a modular concept. Here we are showing this product working in action by using our RTC. It is called Rotary Table Controller, you can see here, which works on its own. We have series of the accessories because we use the complete solution. So we believe in the complete solution. These are the tailstock, manual, hydraulic tailstock, booster and rotary cylinder and rotary unit. These forms the complete solution what you are seeing here. It is a production system, and next to that our old one of the model called 320 big size, and these are the island of products where you can see that this compact tilting table. Here the fixture we have shown along with the component. This is a multi-spindle. This is again small Q series tilting table, rotary table, and these are the further series. We can see here one-stop solution for your improvement of the efficiency of the machine.
So you have a very comprehensive product range there for all kind of application and precision. So sir, I just last point I wanted to touch that now India is growing a very big manufacturing sector, right? Globally, manufacturing power of India is getting higher and higher. So can you tell me which new industry you would like to target in future where you think there is a lot of potential?
Yeah, we can see very well. You might be heard the news that iPhone is going to be manufactured in India. So we are seeing the electronic industry as going to grow in leaps and bounds, and we have chance. So we have bought a product called direct drive rotary table, which is very compact, agile, fast moving, acceleration and high acceleration and deceleration, and it is one of the products we are launched to suit to the requirement of electronic industry.